Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can get half of 99% of YouTuber editors. So if you want to excel as a YouTube editor and become a top tier YouTube editor, you need a blend of technical skills, creative flair, and a deep understanding of video storytelling. So here are some strategies to help you stand out. So the first one is you need to master the fundamentals. So you need to master, of course, some video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. And you need to also understand the audio editing. You need to understand the audio principle, noise reduction, and sound effects. And also color grading. You need to learn to manipulate color to create mood and atmosphere to your YouTube videos. And the second one is develop a unique style. So you can experiment with different styles from minimalist to cinematics to create a visual, an aesthetic visual. And the editing techniques, you need to also explore transition, pacing, and montage to create engaging narratives. And don't forget branding. So you need to align your editing style with the channel's brand and target audience. So if you want to know your audience, you can go to the analytics on your YouTube studio, and here you'll see audience. So you can see the type of person that watch your videos, where they are from, or their age and gender, and others. And in here you need to also understand the storytelling and pacing. Understand your content, so you can watch the raw footage multiple times to grasp the story. And don't forget to create a strong narrative and maintain pacing, so you can use cuts, transition, and music to control the viewer's experience. And don't forget to stay updated with the trends. So that's the fourth one. You need to follow other YouTube editors. You can learn from their successful editors and their techniques. So you can just watch, for example, MrBeast channel, which has million and billions subscriber. And don't forget to experiment with new features. You can explore the latest tools and features in your editing software. And don't forget to stay informed. So keep up with the industry trends. And you can also build a strong portfolio, showcase your work, seek feedback, and network with clients. You can connect with YouTubers, filmmakers, and other content creators. Don't forget to continue learning. You can take online courses. You can also practice regularly at home. And don't forget to attend workshops and conferences. And you can also offer additional service like motion graphics. You can create animations, titles, and others. You can also produce original sound effect and music, or do some sound design. And you can also specialize in color collection and grading techniques. So becoming a top tier YouTube editor maybe takes time and dedication. So by mastering those that I mentioned before, I hope you can achieve success in this exciting field. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.